Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's Brianna Marie. The cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Brianna Marie. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Brianna Marie.
I'm gonna have to add this in the beginning because my phone died and I don't have no outro or intro. So y'all, this hair, y'all, that y'all about to see, this slay is from Megalook Hair. And let me tell you, what lace do you see, baby? You don't see no lace, okay? Because it ate, it devoured, okay? And that's on what? That's on period. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, y'all gotta stay tuned. Y'all gotta keep watching because y'all want to see the slay. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Brianna Marie, and you're tuning into another hair tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be from Megalook Hair, and let me tell y'all, this wig is an instant pull out the bag and go. Y'all see how beautiful this wig looks, and the tones are definitely fall vibes. Look at this wig. So this wig is supposed to be a glueless wig, y'all, and it definitely is a glueless wig. So you could just take this out, put the band on, because the band does not come on the wig. You have to take it out the package and put it on the wig like I just did. And y'all, it's already pre-cut and everything. All you have to do is, if it's not matching you, go ahead and put some makeup on it. And yeah, that was it. It also came with wig caps, and I went ahead and just basically molded that wig cap down. Now I see some people do the wig caps as in they just put it on their head, put the makeup on, and they put the wig on. I can't do that because I just always feel like the wig cap is sliding off my head, like my peanut head, okay? It's so small, so I just really feel like if I did it that way, it's gonna fall off. But I know you can do it that way and just spray what I just sprayed on my head. But I glued it down anyways. So once I went ahead and put that wig cap on, y'all, the wig cap was capping. Not capping like that, but y'all know what I mean. It was good. It actually laid down pretty good. When I cut it, everything was just flowing and going so good, y'all. When y'all see the way that I laid this wig down, y'all are gonna be like, where is the lace? Okay, because it just disappeared. But as you can see, when I was showing y'all in the video that the lace looked so good compared to my skin, even though it was white, it still looks good, like HD lace. So the only thing that I feel like is I would sew a band on the wig to make it a little bit tighter. So this right here is how you can put the wig on. No makeup is applied to this wig at all, and you see it's blending. So you can wear it like this, but I was trying to pull it to show you all an example of if it was tighter, because the wig is a little bit too big for my head, because my head is small. It would definitely act as a glueless wig, but it is a glueless wig. I would just need to either get a smaller wig size or put an extra band on it so that it can be tight, if that makes sense. Okay, so I went ahead and after I cut the excess lace off, I went ahead and put some makeup on. The makeup that I have is in a compact. I think it's from City Colors. If it's not from City Colors, from Ruby Kisses. But neither here or there, it matched my skin tone perfectly. I went ahead and I put the wig cap back on, y'all, just to see how it's going to blend. And I also went ahead and put some makeup on the wig as well, the lace part. I love how they got it pre-cut because you don't have to go in zigzag motion, y'all, at all to even just have to cut the lace. You don't even have to do that because they already have it cut for you in the zigzag motion. So I went ahead and laid this wig down because, like I said, I would need a band that's more tighter to make it a glueless wig for me. So we're gonna go ahead and put 2 layers of this glue on. Let it dry clear. That's key, y'all. Let it dry clear. Do not wipe it up and mold it down to perfection and go right ahead and slap it on. You have to wait till it turns clear. Okay, so I waited till it turns clear, and I'm going to go ahead and stretch this baby on like so. and lay it down. Now on the edges, I did not cut it because it's a circle wig, y'all. And like I said, it was supposed to be glueless, but I just glued it down. And when I tell you, when I glued this wig down, it eats. Y'all, this is a perfect fall wig. This is a perfect wig that will be in my collection forever. Okay, I don't think I'm getting rid of this wig. It's definitely a must to have in your collection. I went ahead also, after the glue dried a little bit, I went ahead and took some even lace spray, and look how it melted into the skin, y'all. Y'all is not looking at it like, what? Bomb. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I did it already, as you can see. Now my mama's about to style this wig, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and pick the selection of wand curls. She was like, girl, let's do some wand curls, and that's exactly what we did. But first, she's gonna go ahead and hot comb my hair, the top part mainly, because we don't want no big bulky helmet wig. And it wasn't giving that even when it came out the bag. It was giving very much flat. However, we're gonna go back in and smooth it out some more. Listen, I didn't even pluck this wig. That's how good this wig is. I didn't pluck this wig, nor did I even pluck the middle part. That it just came just like this. Y'all know I be in the mood to pluck my wigs. This one, I didn't. If I did want to go back in and pluck it, I'll probably do that just a little bit in the front. But with this one, I say, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and just put this wig on straight out the package. And let me tell you, it ate. It ate. So if you want to go ahead and purchase this wig, also if you want to check it out just to look, go ahead in the description box below. The direct link will be there. I'm telling you. Fall hairdo right here. This is a new fall wig, and look how this wig looks. It's so pretty. And when I tell you it was soft, it was really soft. Not soft to the point where like that's like baby down hair. No, soft, like really soft, where you can run your hands through it, and it just looks so good. So I don't know the curlers that she's using, but I probably will leave them in the description right below. No, I will leave them in the description right below. I think they are Revlons. I was just about to say that, but I don't know. I'm not for sure, but definitely check down the description right below. However, I'm not going to talk through this because it's going to go kind of quick. My makeup ate, y'all. Ooh, the makeup complemented the hair so well. It just all tied in so good together. But what my mom is going to do is she's going to go section by section, basically parting the hair and just curl the whole entire head. I don't want to talk through this part because it's just self-explanatory, self-redundant, and she's just taking a piece and she's just rolling it around the curler to get this wand type curl, and she's going to hold the curl so that the heat can be trapped into the curl, and then she's going to pull it, what she's doing now, and it's going to make this beautiful wand curl. Do y'all see that? And look, the hair is holding this curl. When I say gorgeous, I mean gorgeous. What more can you ask for? The colors, the tones, everything about this wig, it just screams, I need it now. Don't forget to go check out MEGALOOK in the description bar below. Also, the direct link to this wig will be down there as well. I'm going to go ahead and let y'all watch this because it's going to get redundant. She's going to do the same thing all around until she is done. But I'm going to meet y'all on the outro. But until then, enjoy. I had to come back on this last curl because look at the lace. Look at how it melted into my skin, y'all. This is crazy. Like, just I feel like this is one of the best wigs that I had so far on my channel. As far as look at the melt, look at the curls, look at this wig, y'all. Enough said. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. So I'm gonna meet y'all on the outro because I am going to be talking, but until then, thank you so much, MEGALOOK, for sending this hair over, and don't forget to go check them out in the description bar below. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and like this video. Don't forget to go check out MEGALOOK in the description bar below and tell them that I sent you. Okay, because what? Y'all see this hair? Y'all crazy if y'all ain't about to go cop this hair. Crazy. Don't forget to go check them out in the description box below. Also, the link to this direct wig. And I'm going to see y'all on another slay tutorial.